Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today, overdue I believe, to announce the winner of my last hidden giveaway I had. It was Cactus cards. You had to leave a comment. Let's see, the video was called, this was the video, Project Share using my scraps to make cards. I was gonna see if I could see. Here's the thumbnail. Right here. That's the thumbnail. And so you just needed to leave a comment with Cactus cards. So I am... Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with another... I am going to... Shakas, aloha crafty friends. Oops, sorry, it's Maka from... Copy the URL. Copy link. And then I am going to go to YouTube comment picker. Random one. And then I am going to put the URL in here, paste, done. And we want to filter duplicate users, filter comments based on specific text. So it was Cactus card. Cards, sorry, with an S. Cactus cards with an S. And then get comments. Oh, maybe because of the capital. It says 0. What? Oh, sorry. Okay. Small Cactus cards. Let's try this again. Still 0. So something's not working right. Let me just go to the channel. There's not that many comments, so I'm just gonna write everybody's name down and I will be back. Okay, I have 6 entries. Lang, Whitshire, Lorraine Platero, Blessed Hands, and A and C, Cruising with Crystal, Blenda, Becerra, and Lou David. So I'm just going to mix them all up here. These are old business cards of mine, so I'm just using them since I cannot use them any longer. And so I am going to just draw one out. Whoops, 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 oops. Can't see whose is whose. Okay. So, I think I've mixed them enough to be fair. And this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, see, good thing I counted. Somebody's was missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Okay, let me shuffle again. Okay. Here we go. And the winner to the hidden giveaway for the Cactus cards is... So don't forget, you got to be a subscriber. You have to be 18 years of older, live in the US in order to have won. So I'm going to confirm. Some of you I know are definitely subscribers. But here we go. Congratulations, Lang Whitshire. So I am going to verify that she is a subscriber. Hold on. Okay, and I do see that she is a subscriber of mine. I think that you just recently changed your channel name, because I don't remember that's what it was. But anyway, congratulations. So contact me in the comments below. I just need your mailing address so I can get this out to you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, all of you, for paying attention to my video and getting in on the hidden giveaway. So stay tuned for more. I appreciate you. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing and join me on this crafty journey. You will be notified if you click on that bell when I upload new videos. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!